Okay, hello guys, I hope you are well. I'll show you this channel, and this channel growing day by day is very easily. And you can see here Joe HaTTab joined from United Arab Emirates and joined 2012, and now currently subscriber 8.8 million subscriber, and he uploaded 550 videos. And we can see here video section. uh, he uploaded this video, and video duration was 27 minutes, and it was uploaded 2 weeks ago, and now 7.5 million. You can see here VIDIQ last earning monthly earning estimate is 100k to 301k. And now you can see here most of these videos million views. And we can check this channel's analytics here. Okay, you can see here okay, United Arab Emirates total view. And now we can see here earning report is here. 2024 revenue was huge last money. And last month he gained you can see huge type of money. And his his YouTube channel category was people and blog. His RPM is high 5.50. And okay. And now we can check his short video section. Short video is also most popular here inside the earth's deepest oil lake. And we can see again video section has you can see 2 week ago, 4 week ago, 3 month ago. And he uploaded one videos per week, and average video duration is 9 minutes. So I hope you guys like this type of channel, and you can choose this type of categories, and you can create YouTube channel and earning more from this type of categories.